नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. In my series of two lecture, we have complete the one point in the straight line, that is the combined equation of the two lines. Now today we are going to start with the new point, that is the pair of straight line passing through the origin. So we know in 11th standard we have studied the one of the point, that is the general equation of the straight line, that is x plus by plus c is equal to 0. This linear equation always represent a straight line, and this straight line is passing through the origin if and only if c must be equal to 0. That means if c is equal to 0 in this equation, then this line is passing through the origin. So if we put the c is equal to 0 in this equation, the required equation is the last straight line passing through the origin. So we get the straight line equation of the straight line which is passing through the origin if we put the c is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the straight line passing through the origin. Now we have to find out the combined equation of such two lines. आपणाला अशा प्रकारच्या दोन स्ट्रेट लाईनचं कंबाईन इक्वेशन तयार करायचं आहे आणि त्या स्ट्रेट लाईनला आपण म्हणणार आहे पेअर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाईन पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन. पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन. नाउ टू फाइंड द पेअर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाईन पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन, we define some terms. The first term is say degree of each terms, degree of the term of an equation. एखाद्या समीकरणामधील पदाची कोटी म्हणजे काय. समजा हे एक समीकरण आहे 3x² प्लस 4xy प्लस 5y² प्लस 6x प्लस 8y प्लस 9 and this is equal to 0. Suppose that this is one of the equation. It containing 6 terms. Now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this is the first term, the degree of this term. So we define first what is the degree of the term. The sum of the indices of the variable present in that term is called as the degree of that term. म्हणजे समीकरणाच्या पदामध्ये जे व्हेरिएबल असतील, चल असतील, त्या चलाच्या कोटीची बेरीज म्हणजे त्या पदाची कोटी असे म्हणतो. दॅट इज द डिग्री ऑफ दॅट टर्म. मग समजा हे पद आहे, या पदामध्ये एक व्हेरिएबल आहे x नावाचा आणि या x चा दुसरा घात आहे म्हणून या पदाची कोटी झाली 2. ओके. आता या पदामध्ये दोन चल आहेत, एक x आणि दुसरं y. या x ची कोटी 1 आहे, y ची कोटी 1 आहे म्हणून 1 अधिक 1 म्हणून या पदाची कोटी झाली 2. Therefore the degree of this term is 2. Similarly the degree of this term is 2. The degree of this term is 1. Degree of this term is 1. But in this case there is no any variable present. That means the degree of that variable is 0. So the degree of this term is 0. So this is what is the degree of the term? The degree of the term is defined as the sum of the indices of the variable present in the given terms is called as the degree of the term. Now what is the homogeneous equation? homogeneous equation. So the homogeneous equation is defined as if an equation degree of each term is same. Suppose that this is one of the equation 3x square plus 2hxy plus by square, and this is equal to 0. So suppose that this is 3x square plus 2xy plus by square is equal to 0. This is one of the equation where b is constant. Then the degree of this term is 2. The degree of this term is 2 and the degree of this term is 2. So degree of each terms in this equation is same or constant. Therefore this equation is called as the homogeneous equation. Now let us see this equation. In this equation the degree of each term is not same, because the degree of this term is 2, this term is 2, this term is 2, but the degree of this term is 1, this is 1 and this is 0. So the degree of each term is not same. Therefore this is not a homogeneous equation. So this is called as the non-homogeneous equation. So we define the homogeneous equation if the degree of each terms of an equation is same, then the equation is called homogeneous equation. Then the equation is called as the homogeneous equation. Now we have to find out the combined equation of the two straight lines passing through the origin. So let us consider the two straight line and then find the combined equation of that two straight line. But there is one theorem. The theorem says that the combined equation of two straight line passing through the origin is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. Is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. So the proof of this theorem is like this. Now what we have to show that? We have to show that the combined equation of the two straight line passing through the origin is a homogeneous equation of degree 2, or this is a second degree homogeneous equation. म्हणजे काय, जर दोन ओरिजिन मधून जाणाऱ्या रेषेचं कंबाईन इक्वेशन हे होमोजिनियस इक्वेशन असते आणि त्याची डिग्री 2 असते, हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. टू प्रूव्ह धिस लेट consider two lines. Consider two straight line passing through origin. That is, first is a1x plus b1y is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y is equal to 0. Then the combined equation combined equation is a1x plus b1y into a2x plus b2y and this is equal to 0. या दोन रेषा ओरिजिन मधून पास झालेल्या आहेत because c is constant term is absent, so these straight lines must be passing through the origin. So we take the combined equation of these two lines, then take the product of these two bracket, a2 a1 a2 x into x is x square, okay, then multiply this b1 a2 x y plus b2 ने याला मल्टीप्लाई करा, so b2 a1 x y plus यानी याला मल्टीप्लाई करा b1 b2 then y square and this is equal to 0. Rearrange some terms of this equation, then a1 a2 x square plus b1, take here is xy, here is xy, so take xy common, then xy common घेतल्यानंतर इथे येईल b1 a2 plus b2 a1 into xy and plus b1 b2 y square and this is equal to 0. So put some consider some substitution. So put a is equal to a1 a2, b is equal to b1 b2 and 2h is equal to b1 a2 plus b2 a1, okay. Then the equation is like this, a1 a2 ची किंमत हे पुट करायची, so ax square, okay, b1 b2 ची किंमत आपल्याला सॉरी याची किंमत b1 a2 plus b2 a1 ची किंमत आपल्याला 2h पुट करायची आहे, therefore 2hxy plus b1 b2 ची किंमत आपल्याला b पुट करायची आहे म्हणून by square and this is equal to 0. Now observe this equation. If you observe this equation, then the degree of this term is 2, degree of this term is 2 and degree of this term is 2, so the degree of each term is same, constant, or therefore this equation is called as the homogeneous equation and hence theorem is proved. Now we have to show that, म्हणजे काय आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं, तर दोन रेषा जर ओरिजिन मधून पास होत असतील तर त्यांचं कंबाईन इक्वेशन हे होमोजिनियस इक्वेशन असते आणि त्याची डिग्री किती आहे, 2 आहे. सो दिस इज द सेकंड डिग्री होमोजिनियस इक्वेशन इन x and y. So we see some problem on this point. So the first problem is verify the combined equation of the following two line is a homogeneous equation or not, homogeneous second degree equation or not. Right, the problem is verify the combined equation of two straight line that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 0 are homogeneous. Verify the combined equation of the two straight line 3x plus 2y is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 0 is a pair of is a second degree homogeneous equation, or not. Okay, so the solution is like this. The given lines are 3x plus 2y is equal to 0, this is equation 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Then the combined equation of these two lines is 3x plus 2y into 2x minus 3y, and this is equal to 0. Then take the product of these two brackets. 2x into 3x, that is equal to the 6x square. 2x into 2y, that is equal to 4xy. Okay. Minus 3y into 3x, that is minus 9xy. Then this is minus 6y square. This is equal to 0. So this can be written as 6x square plus 4xy minus 9xy, that is equal to minus 5xy minus 6y square, and this is equal to 0. So this is the second degree homogeneous equation or not. Now see here, the degree of this term is 2, the degree of this term is 2, and degree of this term is also 2. So the degree of this term is 2, 2 and 2. Therefore this is the homogeneous second degree equation. So therefore the given equation is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 and hence 4. So similarly we can solve some problem. You can solve some problems which take the two lines like this, which is passing through the origin, and then combine this and observe whether the given equation is homogeneous or not. So we stop here, and my next lecture we start with the next point. The point is that whether such type of Uri equation of such types represent a pair of straight line or not. Okay, so stop here.